Welcome to Grow with ESA. Are you looking to start your freelancing journey in 2025, but not sure where to begin? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 easy freelancing niches that you can start today with the skills you already have or can easily learn. If you're ready to dive into freelancing and earn money online, let's jump right into it. The first niche on our list is video editing. With the rise of platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, video content is more in demand than ever before. Brands, influencers, and businesses need high-quality video content for marketing, tutorials, social media posts, and more. If you have basic skills in video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Filmora, CapCut, or even simpler tools like InShot or others, you can easily get started. All you need is a good eye for detail, an understanding of pacing, and a bit of creativity. Video editing is a great freelancing niche to enter in 2025 because businesses are always looking for someone to help them create engaging content that stands out. Plus, with a huge demand for social media videos and video ads, this is a niche with endless opportunities. There are many free video editing courses available on YouTube. Next up, we have animation. Animation is one of the easiest freelancing niches to get into if you're passionate about storytelling and creativity. Whether it's explainer videos, animated logos, or motion graphics, animation is everywhere. Software like Adobe After Effects, Blender, and even online tools like Vyond make it easier than ever to create stunning animations, even if you're just starting out. You don't need to be a professional animator to begin. Simple explainer videos and short animated ads are in high demand. With businesses and brands using more animation in their marketing, you can easily land freelance projects by showcasing your work on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. There are many free animation courses available on YouTube. The third freelancing niche to consider is graphic designing. Graphic design is everywhere, from logos to social media graphics, infographics, and product packaging. As businesses shift to digital marketing, the need for eye-catching designs is growing rapidly. With platforms like Canva, Adobe Illustrator, and Photoshop, graphic design has become more accessible for beginners. Even if you don't have years of experience, you can start by designing simple social media posts, business cards, and logo designs. Freelance graphic design is a great entry point because the tools are easy to learn and you can start building a portfolio quickly. Plus, there are tons of opportunities for those who want to specialize in specific types of design, such as e-commerce or social media. There are many free graphic designing courses available on YouTube. The fourth niche is data management. In today's digital age, businesses collect and analyze massive amounts of data. But not all businesses have the time or expertise to manage and organize this data efficiently. If you're comfortable with tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or even more advanced databases, data management is an excellent freelancing niche. You could offer services such as organizing data, cleaning up messy spreadsheets, or setting up data systems for businesses that need better organization. Data entry, data analysis, and CRM management are all lucrative areas within this niche. As more companies rely on data for decision-making, there's a growing need for freelancers who can manage and organize this information. There are many free data management courses available on YouTube. Finally, the fifth niche is website making and SEO. Every business needs an online presence, and that's where website creation and search engine optimization (SEO) come in. Whether it's building a simple website on WordPress or creating custom sites from scratch, web development continues to be a hot freelancing niche. If you're familiar with platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace, you can get started on freelance websites today. Learning basic SEO can also be incredibly valuable. SEO helps websites rank higher in search engines, and businesses know that being visible online is key to their success. With a combination of website building and SEO knowledge, you can offer clients a complete package, from designing their site to optimizing it for maximum visibility. There are many free website making and SEO courses available on YouTube. So, there you have it, the top 5 easy freelancing niches for 2025. Video editing, animation, graphic design, data management, and website making and SEO. Each of these niches offers plenty of opportunities to start earning money as a freelancer, even if you're just getting started. Key is to pick a niche that excites you, start building your skills, and put yourself out there on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Grow with ESA for more tips on freelancing and entrepreneurship. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep growing with ESA. If you want to grow sales, brand, store marketing, and marketplaces, then get in touch with us. The website link for Ecom Scale Up Agency is in the description.